What is going on? Today, got a brand new video. We're gonna go head off to the shop here and work on the old girl again. Last video we got her out, stretch her legs. Today we're gonna actually get some work done on it. I'm pretty excited, to be honest. So without further ado, let's hit the road. Timmy's coffee and snow mix very well. Just whipping up a TikTok here while I'm waiting for the shop to warm up. If you guys want to ping that a follow, it's my full name. I'm not saying I like TikTok. I'm just doing it for my boys that like short videos. So my microphone died. Pardon the horrible quality of audio. While we let the microphone charge, I'm gonna lift the front end of the car up and get everything ready. So today, we're obviously working on the Mazda 3. Today is something I like to do seasonal, is take out the coilovers and clean them up, give them like a wax. It's kind of weird, but give them a wax, clean them up, make them look shiny, put anti-seize on the threads again, because I had a situation where I messed one of them up because I couldn't get the collars off. So something I like to do every season, and what you guys should too, if you guys have coilovers, is take them out, take them apart if you can, and clean them up. So I have BC Racing coilovers in this. The rear shocks are blown, so I'm not going to touch the rear shocks. I'm going to take my front struts out, take them apart, clean those up too. I think I'm pretty excited to pull these out, kind of inspect under the car, because it's been a while. Okay, so finally kind of get to use the impact today. I don't have any impact sockets, so I can't go hardcore. And I know this is no bueno, but I'm not impacting like hella. This is just to speed up the process of whatever. But listen to how satisfying this thing sounds, dude. It's just so smooth. I burnt a hole right through my fender liner. So I was in here not too long ago. It looks like we are full maxed out. Low in the front, just put the end links in, so this should be pretty straightforward with the end links. Looks like my locking plate for my brake line came out and has disappeared. Oh, just like that. It's incredible how far I've come to be able to do that without being scared, and I just naturally do it in a certain amount of time. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other side out, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull these apart and clean them up. All right, here we have coilovers. What we're gonna do is we need to crack the bottom. This part comes off alone. There we go. Anti-seize in this, guys, you have no idea how great this was to do. The only problem is it takes forever to come off. Now I'm taking off the spring. Well, the spring can stay, but the bottom collar is coming off as well. Pop the spring off. Now I need to tackle this, and the way I think I'm gonna try and do this, bada bing bada boom, take that off, and then all of this stuff just comes right out. That is a fully undressed BC Racing coilover. Now it's time, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up now. So a quick assessment of my BC Racing coilovers. These are about maybe about 3 years old at this point. Almost 4, I believe. One of these shocks, this component on one of the front sides has been replaced. I'm not sure which one it was. Here's the bearing. One thing that I noticed with the bearing is that it's starting to show a little bit of rust inside and around here, so it might be getting close to bearing replacement time. It's also getting a little gritty, which is not bad actually. The top hat looks pretty good. Again, showing some rust on the underside, which is a little strange because rocks don't really get up here, but not too bad, but you know, they're getting a little old, right? When I clean these up, I like to use the FW1 quick wax. Right on there generously. And I'm gonna go around with the toothbrush, just like that. And then what I'm also gonna do is get the threads. And there you go. Doesn't look too bad. I think it's maybe lost a bit of its gold color and turned into a silver. So I'll show you a difference of what these look like before and after. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick run through and clean all this, and then we'll put it back together. everything is cleaned up. I mean, look at that, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna slap these together, and I wanna show you guys the difference of the other one and our refreshing set. First things first is the shock. I'll show you guys something cool. These take an Allen head, but and anything that takes an Allen head, if you have a powerful enough impact gun, if you do it in quick bursts, then you don't need that Allen key. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, I forgot to do something. That was like the whole point of this. Do a little bit of painting. So I'm gonna paint the anti-seize on in stripes. Okay, so the coilover has been put together. Now I need to set the preload, which is fun. The spring moves. So I am going to tighten this collar to the spring until it does not move. Doesn't move there. I'm gonna do half a twist. Now I'm gonna take this collar, bring it on down. Now I need to spin this again until it reaches the thickness of one of these spanner wrenches. That is how you set preload. So now I'm gonna go ahead, tighten this back down, just like that. Boom, and there you have your set of, well, your one refresh coilover. Huge difference between these two. Shiny, clean, not gonna get threads stuck. You guys can clean them if you want. I just do it because it looks cool. But at the end of the day, what this is doing is making sure that throughout the season, we can go ahead and move those collars because there's anti-seize on them and it won't seize. And we'll do the same. We'll put anti-seize around here so that it doesn't seize in the mount. We're gonna chuck them back in and be good to go here. All right, and the car is back on the ground and the camera battery is flashing red, so perfect. So the height is obviously the same. Nothing's changed up front, except we got some fresh coilovers that are ready for this upcoming season. If you guys are excited as I am, I don't know, man. I'm ready to go. I think some of the weak points now that I've actually kind of been getting into this car a little bit more is the engine bay. The engine bay needs some love this year and make it look fresh. This place where I live gets very dusty, and this is probably the dustiest this engine bay has been. So I really want to freshen up the engine bay, make it look good, get rid of all this washer hardware stuff, crap and garbage. Obviously the engine bay, and then the inside's looking a little bland too. So we're gonna do some inside stuff soon. And with that being said, the car is going to stay in its current position. Other than that, guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was nice to get to work on this thing again. Anyways, without further ado, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that, guys, thanks again for watching. Keep it real. I'll see you all in the next one.